Hi, I'm Jack from Cooper Heating, Cooling, Plumbing, and Electrical. You know, we've been serving your family and the community for over 40 years. And this holiday season, we've teamed up with Cozy 101.1 for the Cooper Heating and Cooling Holiday Furnace Giveaway. Do you deserve a free Lennox furnace? Or maybe you know a family that does? Just click the link below and tell us your story to win. Good luck and have a safe and warm holiday season from your Cooper Green Team.
Call the Green Team, your Cooper Heating and Cooling Dream Team.